Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 2, Day 1. Okay, we are going to be listening to a poem, and you're going to be listening for words that begin with the same sound. Listen, j, jiggity, j, jig. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. So jiggity jig had j, and jiggity jog had j. Okay friends, we are working on the insect card today, and the insect card, the name of the letter is I and the sound is I, as in and big. So we are going to be blending our sounds, okay? Turn your voice on. Keep your voice on. Fit. Word. Fit. Can't blend yet because we'd be going b. Now blend. Bit. Word. Bit. Wig. Word. Wig. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Pin. Word. Pin. Okay, these are sounds we've been working on. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. T. 3, 2, 1. X. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. B. 3, 2, 1. G. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. W. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's blend some more sounds with I. Turn your voice on. It. Word. It. Sit. Word. Sit. This is uppercase, so it's a name. S. Oh, it's not uppercase, so it's just 6. Word. 6. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Big. Word. Big. Can't blend yet. We know it's a D. Dig. Word. Dig. D. Can't blend yet. Dip. Word. Dip. Now if I made these sounds, it'd be is. Now we know that's not correct. We know it's is. This is a rule breaker. So you just have to memorize that one. Okay? Now blend his. Blend his. I'm going to let you take a turn, then I'll take a turn. Blend. Word. In. My turn. I mean our turn together. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Win. Word. Win. Now I'll let you have a turn. Blend. Word. Lip. Okay, together. We can't blend yet. Now blend. Hit. Word. Oh, sorry. Word is hit. Okay. We're going to blend some of these together, and then I'll let you have a turn. Sick. Word is sick. Blend. Pick. Word is pick. Your turn. Do it in your head. Blend now. Word. Pin. You could do this one too. Blend. Word. Pan. We'll do this one together. Did. Word. Did. Your turn. Blend. Word. Dad. We'll do this together. At. Word. At. Your turn. Word. Man. Can't blend yet. Cat. Word. Cat. Your turn. Word. Fan. Can't blend yet. Bag. Word. Bag. Your turn. Blend. Blend. Word. Back. Okay, friends. So this is a 5-star sentence because we have our capital, we have our finger space, we have our end mark, which is a period today. We have a good handwriting and good spelling. Let's read this together. He has 6 6 big pigs. Let's do that one more time. He has 6 big pigs. Okay, here's the next one. I will fix the van. Now let's read it fluently. I will fix the van. Capital, yes. Finger space, yes. End mark, yes. What's our end mark? A period. Good handwriting, yes. And spelling is yes. Okay, here's our next part. Is Jill quick? Now your turn. Do it with me. Is Jill quick? Do we have our capital? Yes. And we also have a capital right here because that's a name. Jill is a name. Do we have finger space? Yes. Good handwriting? Yes. Good spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. Think of what that end mark is today. That's a question mark. Okay, here are our sight words. Okay, this is the word and. Read it with me. And. I have a dog and cat. The word and is spelled A-N-D. Spell it with me. Let's write it in the air. A-N-D. This is the word at. Say it with me. I am at school today. The word at is spelled A-T. Spell it with me. A-T. Let's write it in the air. A-T. This is the word has. Say it with me. Has. The word has is spelled H-A-S. Spell it with me. H-A-S. Let's write has in the air. Has. Now, technically, we hear a z at the end, so this is a rule breaker. If I make the sounds, it would be has, but it's not. It's has. She has a book. This is the word what. Say it, read it with me. What. The word what is spelled W-H-A-T. Spell it with me. W-H-A-T. Let's write it in the air. W-H-A-T. And it says, what are you doing? This is the word go. Read it with me. Go. The word go is spelled G-O. Spell it with me. G-O. Let's write go up in the air. G-O. And this says, I will go to the park. Okay, this is our story for today. It says, I am Pat. And this is Pat. Okay, these are words you will see. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, like. Okay, let's read our story. I am Pat. I sat at the table. Now you do it with me. I sat at the table. I can see the mat. Let's do that again. I can see the mat. This is a mat. I like the toast. Your turn. I like the toast. I like the pie. Your turn. We'll do it together again. I like the pie. Okay, last part. I'll let you see Pat's face. I am Pat. Your turn. I am Pat. Okay, these are our high frequency words. Sorry, the light just went out, but that's okay. Okay, so these words are the words we're working on this week. So this is the word down. Say it with me. Down. Down is spelled D-O-W-N. Spell it with me. D-O-W-N. Let's write it in the air. D-O-W-N. I put the book down. This is the word out. Say it with me. Out. The word out is spelled O-U-T. Spell it with me. O-U-T. Let's write it in the air. O-U-T. It says she is out of money. This is the word up. Say it with me. Up. The word up is spelled U-P. Spell it with me. U-P. Let's write up in the air. The cat is up in the tree. This is the word very. Read it with me. Very. The word very is spelled V-E-R-Y. Spell it with me. V-E-R-Y. Let's write it up in the air. V-E-R-Y. The boy was very hungry. Okay, friends, that's all for today, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.